So I think just finding out the results were a little shocking at first, but I think that anybody that's even considering SMA has got to know that like your archetype could be hiding. It could be hiding because of different reasons. And I was able to uncover some of the reasons why, trauma and environment and relationships and different things that caused me to kind of suppress that celebrity thing. But once I embraced her, then I really did start attracting everything that I was supposed to be doing. And I really I had like all sorts of light bulbs that went off. It was like, oh my gosh, this is why it was so hard before, because I wasn't really being me. I wasn't shining.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.